Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Pharmacy Iconer. Today topics of discussion is the MCQs, multiple choice questions on lipid metabolism. This is a very important chapter. Many questions come from this chapter as MCQs. So let's start without wasting the time. First question is beta oxidation of fatty acid occurs in where beta oxidation occurs? Mitochondria, microsomes, peroxisomes, all of the above. Answer is the A, mitochondria. Number 2, which of the following intermediate of glycolysis is precursor of synthesis of triglycerol? First answer is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, dihydroacetone phosphate, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, phosphenyl pyruvate or pyruvic acid. Answer is the B, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This is the intermediate of glycolysis which is used as a precursor for synthesis of the triglycerol. Number 3, which enzyme is involved in the transport of fatty acyl-CoA from cytosol to mitochondrial matrix? From cytosol to the mitochondrial matrix. A, carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1 CPT, that is called the CPT1, CPT2, carnitine acyl carnitine translocase. D, all of the above. Answer is the D, all of the above. So all three enzymes help to transfer the acyl-CoA from cytosol to the matrix of the mitochondria. Number 4, total gain of ATP molecule in complete oxidation of 1 mole of palmitic acid is 121, 129, 131, 139. So total gain of ATP in case of the oxidation of palmitic acid is answer B, 129. Very important question. Number 5, mitochondrial membrane is permeable to short chain fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids, long chain fatty acids, all of these or all of the above. Answer A, short chain fatty acids. So mitochondrial membrane is permeable to short chain fatty acids. Number 6, beta oxidation of fatty acids requires all the following coenzymes except CoA, FAD, NAD, NADP. Answer is the D, NADP. Except NADP, all these three, CoA, FAD and NAD is required. Number 7, a jaundice in which serum alanine transaminase and alkaline phosphatase are normal is hepatic jaundice, hemolytic jaundice, parenchymatous jaundice, obstructive jaundice. Answer is the B, hemolytic jaundice. Which of the following can be oxidized by beta oxidation pathway? A, saturated fatty acid, B, monosaturated fatty acid, C, polyunsaturated fatty acid. Number D, all of these. Answer the D. So with the help of the beta oxidation pathway, saturated fatty acid, monosaturated fatty acid, polyunsaturated fatty acid can be oxidized. Number 9, which is the commuted step of ketosis? A, formation of acetoacetyl-CoA, formation of HMG-CoA, formation of acetoacetate. Number D, formation of beta hydroxybutyrate. Answer is the B, formation of HMG-CoA. Number 10, ketone bodies are not utilized or oxidized in one of the following tissues. A, heart, B, brain, C, liver, D, muscle. Answer is the liver. Ketone bodies are not utilized or oxidized in the liver. 11, One of the following is not the seat of cholesterol synthesis. Where is not seat, where the cholesterol synthesis is not happening. A liver, adrenal cortex, adult brain, brain of newborn. Answer is the C, adult brain. 12. An enzyme required for the synthesis of ketone bodies as cholesterol is acetyl-CoA carboxylase, HMG-CoA synthetase, HMG-CoA reductase, HMG-CoA lyase. Answer is the B, HMG-CoA synthetase is enzyme required for synthesis of the ketone bodies as well as the cholesterol, HMG-CoA synthetase. 13. All of the following statements about carnitine are true except which are true. It can be synthesized in the human body. B. It can be synthesized from the methionine and lysine. It is required for transport of short chain fatty acid into mitochondria. D. Its deficiency can occur due to the hemodialysis. Answer is the C. This one. It is required for transport of short chain fatty acid into the mitochondria. 14. All of the following can be oxidized by beta oxidation except to which cannot be oxidized. A. Palmitic acid, phytanic acid, linoleic acid, fatty acids having an odd number of carbon atoms. Answer B, phytanic acid. 15. Ketone bodies is the name given to, very important question, acetyl-CoA and acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyric acid, beta-hydroxybutyric acid and acetone, acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyric acid and acetone. Answer D, acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyric acid and acetone. The exact answer will be these three: acetate, beta-hydroxybutyric acid and acetone is known as the ketone bodies. During each cycle of beta oxidation, one carbon atom is removed from the carboxyl end of the fatty acid. Whether it will be one carbon will be removed. Number B, one carbon is removed from the methyl end of the fatty acid. C, two carbon atoms are removed from the carboxyl end of the fatty acid. D, two carbon atoms are removed from the methyl end of the fatty acid. Answer is the C, two carbon atoms are removed from the carboxyl end of the fatty acid. So these two carbon atoms removed from the carboxyl end, not the methyl end. 17. Net generation of energy on complete oxidation of the palmitic acid is very important question. 129 ATP equivalents, 131 ATP equivalents, 146 ATP equivalents, 148 ATP equivalents. Number D, 148 ATP equivalents. So net generation of energy on complete oxidation of the palmitic acid, 140 ATP will be formed. 18. Which of the following occurs in the brain microsomes? Alpha oxidation, beta oxidation, omega oxidation. D, both B and C, mean beta oxidation and omega oxidation. Answer is D, both B and C. That means in brain microsome beta oxidation and omega oxidation occurs. 19. Which of the cofactor or coenzymes of the de novo fatty acid synthesis? Biotin, NADPH. All of the above. Answer D, all of the above. For de novo fatty acid synthesis, these coenzymes are required: biotin, NADPH and magnesium. 20. Which of the following precursors condenses with the growing fatty acid chain repeatedly in de novo fatty acid synthesis. Acetyl-CoA, manonyl-CoA, succinyl-CoA, and propanyl-CoA. Answer is the B, manonyl-CoA. 21. The net energy generation for complete oxidation of the linoleic acid. This is the linoleic acid, not the palmitic acid. 148 ATP equivalents, 146 ATP equivalent, 144 ATP equivalents, 142 ATP equivalents. Here is the answer D, 142 ATP equivalents. So net energy generation complete oxidation of the linoleic acid, 142. 22. End product of omega oxidation of fatty acids having an even number of carbon atom is adipic acid, subearic acid, both A and B, D, none of these. Answer is the both A and B, adipic acid and subearic acid. 23. Refsum's disease results from a defect in the following pathway except alpha oxidation of fatty acid, beta oxidation of fatty acid, gamma oxidation of fatty acid, omega oxidation of fatty acid. Answer is the alpha oxidation of fatty acid. So except alpha oxidation of fatty acid, all defects in the following pathway. So except this one, defects come from this pathway: beta oxidation, gamma oxidation, omega oxidation. 24. Cofactor for trans amino acid is thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine, niacin. Cofactor of trans amino acid is the niacin. 25. Transketolase activity is affected in biotin deficiency, pyridoxine deficiency, PABA deficiency, para-amino benzoic acid deficiency, or thiamine deficiency. Answer is the PABA deficiency, para-amino benzoic acid deficiency. 26. Carnitine is synthesized from lysine, serine, choline, arginine. Carnitine is synthesized from lysine. Answer A. 27. Beta oxidation of odd carbon fatty acid chain produces succinyl-CoA, propanyl-CoA, acetyl-CoA, malonyl-CoA. Answer is the D, malonyl-CoA. 28. Which of the following statement regarding beta oxidation is true? Requires beta ketoacyl-CoA as a substrate, forms CoA thioesters. C. Requires GTP for its activity, yields acetyl-CoA as a product. Answer is the A. Requires beta ketoacyl-CoA as a substrate. 29. During each cycle of beta oxidation of fatty acid, all the following compounds are generated except NADH2, H2O, FAD, acyl-CoA. Answer is the H2O. Except H2O, all these NADH, FAD and acyl-CoA are generated. 30. All of the following tissues are capable of using ketone bodies except brain, renal cortex, RBC, cardiac muscle. Answer is the RBC. RBC, all of the following tissues are capable of using ketone bodies except, so RBC cannot use the ketone bodies. 31. Long chain fatty acyl-CoA esters are transported across the mitochondrial membrane by CAMP, prostaglandin, carnitine, choline. Answer is the carnitine. 32. In beta oxidation of fatty acids, which of the following are utilized as coenzymes? NAD plus and NADP plus, FADH2 and NADH plus hydrogen, FAD and FMN, FAD and NAD plus. Answer is the FAD and NAD plus. They are utilized as the coenzymes. 33. All long chain fatty acids with even number of carbon atoms are oxidized to a pool of dash by oxidation. Carbon dioxide, propionic acid, acetic acid, acetyl CoA. Answer is the D, acetyl CoA. 34. Ohme oxidation takes place by the hydroxylase in isosomes involving, this will be the isosome. Isosome involving cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome P 4500, cytochrome A3. Answer is the A, cytochrome B. 35. Acyl CoA dehydrogenase converts acyl CoA to alpha beta unsaturated acyl CoA in presence of the coenzymes. This question may come. NAD plus, NADP plus, ATP, FAD. Answer is the FAD. 36. Long chain fatty acids are first activated to acyl CoA in where long chain fatty acids activated. It is the cytosol, mitochondria, ribosomes, microsomes. It is activated in the cytosol. 37. Long chain acyl CoA penetrates mitochondria in presence of palmitate, carnitine, sorbitol, DNP. Answer is the carnitine. So you know long chain acyl CoA penetrates into the mitochondria through the carnitine transporter system. 38. The fatty acids containing even number and odd number of carbon atoms as well as the unsaturated fatty acids are oxidized by alpha oxidation, beta oxidation, omega oxidation, all of these. Answer is the beta oxidation. In beta oxidation, both even number and odd number of carbon atoms are oxidized. 39. Fatty acids are oxidized by alpha oxidation, beta oxidation, omega oxidation, all of these. So fatty acid oxidized through all of these oxidations. Here it is not mentioned the long chain, short chain or odd number, even number. 40. Mitochondrial membrane is permeable to short chain fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids, long chain fatty acids. All of these. Answer is the short chain fatty acids. 41. Which of the following enzyme is the terminal enzyme of biosynthetic pathway of triglycerol? A. Glycerol phosphate acyl transferase, lysophosphatidate acyl transferase, diacyl glycerol acyl transferase, phosphatidate phosphate. Answer is the C. Diacyl glycerol acyl transferase. 42. Which is the cofactor of enzyme lipoprotein lipase? Which is the cofactor of lipoprotein lipase? Heparin, phospholipids, ApoC2, all of the above. D is the all of the above. 43. Which is the principal precursor for cholesterol? Precursor of the cholesterol. Acetyl CoA, acetoacetyl CoA, HMG CoA, mevalonic acid. It is the acetyl CoA. 44. Precursor of bile acid is cholesterol, acetyl CoA, free fatty acids, HMG CoA. Answer is the A, cholesterol. Precursor of the bile salt is the cholesterol. 45. Biosynthesis of triglyceride and lecithin both require an intermediate. Which one is the intermediate? Monoacyl glycerol phosphate, phosphatidic acid, phosphatidyl ethanolamine, phosphatidyl cytidylate. Answer B, phosphatidic acid. 46. The range of limiting step cholesterol biosynthesis is squalene synthesis, mevalonate kinase, HMG CoA synthetase, HMG CoA reductase. Answer the D, HMG CoA reductase. 47. All of the following are constituents of ganglioside molecule except glycerol, sialic acid, hexoid sugar, sphingosine. Answer is the glycerol. Answer is the glycerol. 48. an alcoholic amine residue is present in which of the following lipids? Phosphatic acid, cholesterol, sphingomyelin, ganglioside. Answer is the C, sphingomyelin. 49. Sphingosine is the backbone of all the following except sebroside, ceramide, sphingomyelin, lecithin. Answer is the lecithin. Last question is a compound normally used to conjugate bile acids is serine, glycine, glucuronic acid and fatty acids. Answer is the glycine. So I have given the 50 MCQs on this topic. You practice it and prepare a note that will help you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.